Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting lesson. We are given x to be equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 2, and we are asked to find x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4. What is the value for that? So first, to get the value for we are asked to find, we have x is given by square root 3 plus square root 2. So let's take the inverse of x, and that will give us 1 over x, which is equal to 1 over square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So from this, we can multiply this by the conjugate. So that will give us x, that will give us square root 3 minus square root 2 over square root 3 minus square root 2. So this can now be written as square root 3 minus square root 2 over this appears to be in the form of difference of 2 squared. So we can write that as square root 3 into bracket to the power of 2 minus square root of x, which is now given as square root of 3 plus square root of 2, and that is plus square root of 3 minus square root of 2. So over here, these two, we go with this, and we have x plus 1 over x is equal to 2 square root of 3. Next, we square this expression. So from x plus 1 over x can be squared. And if we expand this, we are going to have this to be equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. But we know that this in the bracket is equal to 2 square root 3. So we replace that. So we have 2 square root 3 squared equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. Now, if we simplify this, we are going to have 12. Then we bring these two to the left hand side. We have 12 minus 2, which is now equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared. Okay, and that gives us 10 equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared. So our goal is to get to the power of 4, the fourth power. So what we do is to have x squared plus 1 over x squared to be squared again. And if we expand this, we are going to have x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 plus 2. As we've gotten earlier, the whole of this part in the bracket is equal to 10. So we replace this with 10. So we have 10 squared is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 plus 2. So this can now be written as 100. Bringing this to the left hand side, we have minus 2, which is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4. And this implies that this implies that 100 minus 2 will give us 98. It means that 98 is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4. So, which is also written as x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 is equal to 98. And that's the value we asked to find for the fourth power. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this one, please like this video, please share it, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.